If you want to record ADR voiceovers in DaVinci Resolve, and you want the process to feel clean, organized, and professional, this guide will walk you through it step by step. ADR can seem a little intimidating at first, especially if you've never used the Fairlight page before. But once you understand the setup, it becomes a really smooth workflow. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your audio input, patch your microphone to the correct track, create an ADR cue, enter your dialogue, and start recording your take. If this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more DaVinci Resolve tutorials. It really helps the channel grow, and I truly appreciate it. All right, let's jump in. The first thing you need to do is go to the Fairlight page in DaVinci Resolve. You can do that by clicking the music note icon on the page navigation bar. Fairlight is where all the advanced audio work happens, and it gives you the proper layout for multi-track recording, audio routing, and ADR management. If you're planning to record voiceovers, narration, or replacement dialogue directly into your project, this is the workspace you'll be using. Once you're on the Fairlight page, open the mixer. The mixer is where you'll find your track controls, including the input slots that let you choose which hardware source is feeding each track. This step is important because if your microphone is not assigned correctly, DaVinci Resolve won't know where to record the audio. Now look for the track you want to use for recording. On that track, click the input slot. This opens up the routing options for that specific channel. From here, select Input from the drop-down menu. That will bring up the Patch Input and Output window. This window is basically the routing hub for your audio setup, and it shows you all the available hardware inputs on one side and the track destinations on the other. In the left column, select your microphone source. This is usually your audio interface input, your USB microphone input, or whatever device you're using to capture your voice. Then, in the right column, select the destination track where you want the recording to go. After that, click Patch. Patching creates the internal connection between your microphone and the track inside Resolve, so the signal actually reaches the right place when you record. Now that your input is routed properly, the next step is to open the ADR panel. The ADR panel is designed specifically for dialogue replacement and voice recording, and it gives you a much more controlled workflow than just hitting record on a track. Inside the ADR panel, go to the Setup tab first. Here you want to verify the record track selection. This is important because you need to make sure Resolve is recording onto the exact track you intended. If the wrong track is selected, your take could end up in the wrong place, which can be confusing later when you're editing. After confirming the record track, switch over to the List tab. This is where you'll build your ADR cues. Move the playhead to the exact point in the timeline where you want the voiceover or replacement dialogue to begin. Then click New Cue. Creating a new cue generates a time-stamped ADR entry that works like a container for your script and timing information. This is what helps keep the recording process organized and synced to the picture. Once the cue is created, enter your script into the dialogue field within the list section. This text appears as a visual prompt on the video preview, which helps you stay aligned with the scene while you perform the line. If you're recording narration, this is a great way to keep track of each section of your script and make sure you're delivering the right line at the right moment. It also makes longer ADR sessions much easier to manage because each cue is tied to a specific moment in the timeline. Now you're ready for the final step. Go to the Record tab in the ADR panel and click the Record button to begin the automated take. Once you do that, Resolve will start the cue sequence, including any pre-roll you've set up, and it will display the on-screen dialogue prompt so you can perform naturally while staying in sync. Speak clearly into your microphone, follow the cue, and let the take run until it finishes. If you need another take, you can repeat the process and record again until you get the performance you want. And that's the full ADR voiceover workflow in DaVinci Resolve. First, you go to Fairlight, then you patch your microphone to the correct track, set up the ADR panel, create a cue, enter your dialogue, and hit record. Once you get used to this process, it becomes a really powerful way to record professional voiceovers, narration, and dialogue replacement directly inside your edit. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next DaVinci Resolve tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.